Is your cycle signal on, but your dryer's not buzzing at the end of the cycle? Well, I'm Dustin from Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the mini buzzer that's inside this Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other Whirlpool brands such as Amana, Kenmore, Maytag, and more. So let's get this dryer buzzing again. If you need to purchase a buzzer for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. The mini buzzer on your dryer sends out an audible alert to let you know when your dry cycle is complete. If you have your signal cycle turned on, but your dryer doesn't buzz when your drying cycle ends, you may need a new replacement buzzer. Tools needed for this repair are a 1/4-inch nut driver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. If you need to move your dryer away from the wall, please disconnect the dryer vent hose on the rear of the machine. Some of the components have sharp edges, so you may want to wear gloves for this repair. To remove the rear panel behind the console, unscrew the 3 1/4-inch hex head fasteners on the bottom of the panel. Notice the rear panel mounting orientation before removing. We will talk more about this later in the video. Remove the final 1/4-inch screw from the top of the back panel and carefully lift the panel from the dryer and set aside. The mini buzzer is located next to the timer in the center of the control panel. Now we need to disconnect the wiring connector from the back of the buzzer. Grab the connector and gently but firmly wiggle the plastic connector free. You can use a small flathead screwdriver if you need assistance removing the connector. Locate the screw between the small black buzzer and the timer. After you have removed the screw, gently lift up on the mini buzzer until the lock pin comes out of the control panel. If you need to purchase a new buzzer, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure that you get the correct part. Tilt the buzzer to insert the locking tab into the control panel. The buzzer mounting screw hole should align with the top screw hole in the timer mounting bracket. Install the screw and firmly tighten. Reattach the wiring connector to the back of your new buzzer with the white tab on the connector facing the same direction as the small metal tab that was inserted into the control panel. Now that the mini buzzer is installed, you can close up the control panel. The top of the rear panel has 2 cutout notches. Align the portion of the top panel between those 2 notches behind the upper lip of the control panel. The rest of the rear panel will install to the outside of the control panel. Attach the top screw to hold the panel in place. Being sure to align the 2 notches on the sides of the rear panel to the plastic tabs in the control panel, fasten the 3 screws in the bottom of the rear panel. And that's it, you've completed the repair. We'd love to hear your success stories, so if there's any hints, tips, or tricks that you can leave for the next DIYer, throw them down in the comments. If this video has helped save you money on your repair, please consider hitting like and subscribe so it can reach more DIY people like you. I'm Dustin from Parts Doctor, and thanks for watching.